Hey you guys, okay, so I'm taking a trip to Ulta and I'm gonna carry you with me so you can see what I get and why. Alright, so we're at Ulta in Houston and we're gonna walk in. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna get. I'm at the MAC part of Ulta and I'm looking for a lip liner, like a dark brown lip liner, and I'm mainly like a cool tone lip liner. I'm used to using MAC, but I haven't used it in a while, so I was like, But I know the colors chestnut and night moth. Dark brown mainly is what I'm looking for. If you don't know what that looks like, here is night moth. And this is a cool toned lip liner. And this is chestnut. So chestnut is more on the warm, a little bit more on the warm side, but still has coolness to the brown. And it's really great to have like a cool dark brown. It helps to define the lips the way that you're looking to define it. It gives a contrast to the lip line, it gives a contrast to the lip color you choose to use, so that's why I'm grabbing it. I thought I had a dark one, but what I've been doing to create a dark lip line is mixing, and sometimes I don't feel like doing that, you know what I'm saying? I feel like just grabbing and going, especially in a bind, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna see if Ulta has a MAC discount, because we're gonna need that discount, honey. We're gonna need that discount, okay? Okay, so in my kit, I want to get I love Good Molecules. So if you haven't checked out Good Molecules, you need to. They're very affordable, and I want to get eye patches. And so these are caffeine, they're energizing and they're hydrating. And these don't have any parabens or like anything that's going to harm the skin. So I'm going to add these to my kit, throw them in my kit. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I specifically came over here for that lip liner. This one over here. As you can see, this is just the darkest that they have. I have this already. So I'm going to stick with what I have in my cart, which is the MAC Chestnut and the MAC Night Moth, as far as like the dark brown lip liners, because I thought we went darker here. I love how this glides, but I also love how the MAC lip liners glide too. So choose your battles, right? So let me tell you what I have in my cart, and I think I'm done. I have this for me because whenever I'm washing my face, I don't want to always tie up my hair, and I can just really slip this on. That'll be good. Of course, you know I have the energizing hydrogel eye patches from Good Molecules. I did pick up a few brushes from Morphe. This is a vegan line, so it's like a blush brush. Use it two ways though. And then this is also their vegan line. This is a small pointed brush, and just an add-on because I think I only have a few of these, so I was like, I need to add this. This and then, of course, like I just talked about, the MAC lip liners, chestnut and night moth. That's it. Okay, so the last thing that I'm going to pick up, I believe, is the Black Girl sunscreen, and I really love this because I use this on myself, just the cream version, but I'm going to get the spray version for my kids. It's a dry touch finish, and they've used the regular one before. I don't see the kids one in the kids line anymore, so I'm just gonna pick this up, and it's quick to put it on them, no fuss, and that's it.